New at 5, teams of police and mental health workers in Knoxville have responded to thousands of calls since 2020. The co-response teams, as they're called, are staffed by Knoxville officers and McNabb Center professionals. Together, they help de-escalate situations and direct people to the mental health assistance they need.
Those are behavioral health experts, and 10 News reporter Lauren Lovett joining us. You spoke to a member of one of those teams about the number of calls and how they play out, Lauren.
John, Robin, the teams have responded to more than 4,000 calls since they started in 2020, 860 of those in the last year. These responders say they're not only helping people in crisis, they're saving lives. The co-responder program started in October 2020, pairing a crisis intervention trained officer with a master's level clinician.
So we respond to everything from that traditional, someone calling in saying I feel suicidal, or it could be a car wreck or a domestic disturbance or a theft.
Seth Blaine joined KPD in 2021 to be a part of the program. He says through the team, he's able to support the community in a way he's passionate about.
Break that cycle of just hospital, jail, and we're trying to divert people to those resources that better suit them.
Blaine says it's not just about the initial call, but also the follow-up. A call he responded to a few weeks ago didn't end the way he wanted, but just yesterday, that changed.
And this guy was in the worst moment of his life, the most vulnerable moment of his life. He picked up the phone and he called us, knowing what that meant, knowing that a police officer was going to show up.
Those teams responded to over 800 calls last year, and the McNabb Center conducted over 1,500 follow-ups.
We're saving lives. We're seeing improvement in mental health symptoms. And when he talks about the follow-up, yes, every client that we come in contact with does have a follow-up, and they continue to follow up with individuals for months afterwards.
There are 4 co-response teams now. That number will soon expand to 6. With every call, they say they're able to meet community members where they are and help eliminate barriers to mental health care. That program recently received over $800,000 to expand, allowing them to answer more calls during their regular hours of 8 to 11. KPD says that's a huge benefit, as calls can take anywhere from 1 hour to 8, and some calls go unanswered without enough response teams. John, Robin.
All right, Lauren Lovett on the update. Thank you, Lauren.